Assalamu alaikum. You are watching Spare News Network 9 p.m. Bulletin. Mariam Nawaz said we are very happy about the cooperation of Rahim Yar Khan's people. People break down all other records. Mariam Nawaz said that we plan long march according to the convenience of people and weather. PMLN member Ehsan Iqbal said before 31st Jan Imran Khan should resign. Imran Khan said PDM was die by their own. We have not any kind of threat. Opposition is doing all of this for NROs, but they cannot successful in this. Firdaus Ashik Khan said Noon League and People's Party hate rights of South Punjab. They should make it separate province. PTM gives their rights. 39 patients were died due to COVID. In Pakistan, health ministers declared that 2 persons diagnosed the new germs of COVID-19. That persons come from Britania. In America, 1,362 persons were died due to COVID, and 1,54,000 new patients are diagnosed. Health Minister Yasmin Rashid give briefing to Prime Minister in this year. People get Sehat card facilities. Rahman Malik said that if someone's proof People's Party take NRO, I will resign. NRO took someone in Chaudhry Parvez Ilahi's government. Amir Jamiat-e-Islami Maulana Sirajul Haq said we should show our cards on time. Now it's January, after February, but in March should be long march. The Minister of Human Rights Shiri Mazari demands the recovery of Asia Andarabi to the United Nations. She said in Geneva Conventions are clearly mentioned a Kashmiri person should be arrested and get punished in Kashmir, not the other state. Schools are reopened on 18th January 2020. Today, Education Minister announced about schools reopening date. 18th January, school will open for 9th to 12th class. On 25th, secondary and primary sections will be open. Famous singer Rahat Fateh Ali Khan song Zaroori Hai emerging new milestone. It's watched on YouTube more than 1 billion times. New Zealand makes 286 runs against Pakistan on their first day batting.